Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the magnetic helping hands, third hands soldering workstation, extra large and heavy duty base plate, flexible arms, 360 hot air gun holder. So yeah, be sure to check out the link that's going to show you within the description, so you guys could check out this item out. And I would like to give a shout out to their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it and check it out. So it is quite heavy, and right here is the product description. And the product is made in China. So they sell other items as well. For the rubber feet. And these are the flexible arms. Oh, it's also magnetic. Got the clips, alligator clips for the board. And this is the base. It's pretty heavy. Also, you can just magnet to the plate. Wow, that is quite awesome. Got just a high, different angle. So you have the ball joint right here, and also right here. You can maneuver different angles. Gotta be careful, this is very pointed. And this is magnetic. So yeah, this is what I need for like a soldering project. So yeah, you want to add this rubber V on the bottom so it doesn't scratch your table. So you insert the alligator clip, and then there's a thumb screw. Gotta screw around the hole. And this will allow you to adjust different angle and stuff as well. And then make a tight fit. So they give you extra set. So yeah, imagine you're gonna solder this board. You're gonna hold it in a position, and then you could do your soldering right here. Or if you have like a hole on the circuit board, although this one is not even designed, so these are the pointed pin to insert right here, so you hold it on to the plate. Okay. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. As always, peace.